Hey there traders, welcome back for episode 48 from the stockbandit.tv. I'm sure glad that you made it. So in this video, I just want to talk a little bit about tomorrow, which is of course Thursday, but this week it happens to be the last trading day of the week. So, you know, it's already been an extremely light volume week, and typically whenever that's the case, you tend to see that persist through the end of the week. Now, given that a lot of traders have been pretty inactive thus far this week, which is of course evident in the incredibly light volume that we've seen lately across the board, everything well below average in recent days. You know, it just makes sense that as this 3-day weekend approaches that, you know, many of the traders who are left are likely to exit early and step away from their screens on Thursday afternoon in favor of, you know, better springtime weather, or maybe watching the Masters on TV, or maybe even a trip to the mall to visit the Easter Bunny or something like that. So, you know, overall, this market has been behaving very well. We've come a long way off the March lows. In the past few days, we've just drifted very quietly off of last week's highs, and we've done so on very quiet volume. So again, it's really just kind of a minor light volume pullback right now, and that's a very healthy event that's taking place across the board in each of the major averages, NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Dow. So while it is healthy, it is still keeping the action pretty drifty right now, and that means that if you're an intraday trader or you're a day trader, then the action is a little bit more difficult to seek out good momentum, really. So as for me on Thursday, I think it's likely to feel like a Friday. So what I'm going to be doing is paying attention to some of the stocks that have been, you know, more focused type stocks lately, because I think those are the ones that are most likely to garner some attention on a light volume day, if it does turn out to be that way. You know, those stocks are going to include some of the solar names for me and a few others, which I actually pointed out to members tonight in the premium video over at thestockbandit.com. But again, the point here is that on a day which is expected to have lighter volume, it's imperative to stay very selective and do your best to go where all the other traders already are. That's where the liquidity is going to be, and that's also where you're going to find the momentum that's actually worth trading. All right, so that's going to wrap up tonight's free video. Be sure to subscribe to the RSS feed here at thestockbandit.tv, or add your email address to the free newsletter list so that you don't ever miss a thing. All right, enjoy your Easter weekend. I will see you back here soon with more trading videos, but until then, trade like a bandit.